carrying the ghost of my family's name. Nezuko's eyes still burning with pain, but hope's the sword I hold in the rain.
Silent woods, smell of steel and sin, demons lurking deep within every breath. Every scar I gain is proof I won't die in vain.
Water flows, thunder strikes, every form born from endless fights.
One more cut, one more try, I'll fight till the end of the night.
I breathe again through fire and pain. Stand tall in the shadow of the slain. Even when the light begins to fade, my blade remembers every name.
Flames of Rengoku still burn in my chest. Pillars fall, but they gave their best. Zenitsu trembling, yet he flies. Inosuke screaming to touch the skies. Every loss becomes my chain. Every tear fuels my flame. If Muzan stands before my way, I'll make him remember my name. Yeah. From the mountain to the city of blood, Tanjiro's rays like a breathing flood. Hinokami flames in my veins ignite, turning sorrow into endless fight. Nezuko sleeps but her heart still screams. Family bonds stronger than dreams. No demon can shatter our fate. We slave for love, not for hate.
I breathe again through sorrow